everyone, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Isn't it lovely? It's a slimline card, so it's a size I've never made before, and this will fit in a standard business envelope, a DL envelope, so you can get any DL envelope. This will fit into it, so let's get started. I have in my Stamparatus here everything set up to stamp, and we're going to be using this stamp set, Best Delivery. We use the little delivery truck and the balloons and the sentiment as well, and we're going to stamp in Memento ink so that we can colour everything in using our Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. And I'm just going to give us a good ink up, and I'm doing it in the Stamparatus, so if I need to I can always restamp easily, which I don't, so that's good. And I'm going to give that a little clean up so we can remove our stamp with our simple chamois. Okay, whoopsie daisy, moving everything as I go along. And we are going to stamp next our balloons, and we're going to stamp these in real red. And this is the great thing about being clear stamps, you can just look at it from above, get your head in the camera, why not, and really decide where you want it to go, which I think is roughly around there. I'm just making sure everything is buttered up into the corner. So put this all back into the corner, just double check, yeah. And we're going to use real red ink because that's the colour that I've coloured my van in. It's nice to see bright colours sometimes. Today it's sunny and then it's been snowing. I'm filming this actually on the last day of March, so a long time before it goes out. And I like bright colours to cheer me up. So there we have that. So now we need to give that stamp a clean. So we try and minimise the amount of inkiness we get everywhere. And then we're just going to stamp our sentiment, which is this one here. Move my magnet. Always good if I have it the right way up. And try and get it straight. Yeah, it looks straight enough. Oops. Butt everything back into the corner here. Memento again. Give it a good press down. Then I'm going to do one more time so I get a better impression. There we go. So that's what we've got so far. So set that aside. Quickly give our stamp a little clean so we get rid of the Stamparatus. If I don't clean up as I go along, I promise you I will leave that stamp sitting in the Stamparatus, and then I'll find it next time and not have a clue which set it goes in. So let's get rid of this. Put our magnets back in their little homes on the back. And put this away to excuse the noise. We're going to colour everything in now with the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. And I'll show you the colours I'm going to use. I'm going to use real red, cherry cobbler, smoky slate and balmy blue. So I'm going to put you on fast forward while I do the colouring. I'll zoom you in first so you can see maybe a little bit better. And I'll put some music on and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so everything's coloured in, as you can see. I thought I'd switch the camera on while I coloured in, but I haven't. But you can see it's really simple colouring. The real red, smoky slate here for the little trims, and balmy blue for the window. Quite simple. So let's put our card together. As I said, this is a slimline card. So this measures 21 centimeters by 10 centimeters and 21 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and it's scored at 10 centimeters on the 20 centimeter side to make our slimline card. This piece of cardstock here, what does this measure? Let me see. Use this side to tell you. It measures 19 centimeters by 8. And then this piece here measures 19.5 by 8.5. But all those measurements will be on my blog post on the website for you to see. And the links in the description below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club. So do come and check all of that out. And while I've got you here, can I remind you that if you're enjoying this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. It makes all the difference. So let's attach everything down here to our card base. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to use some of these resin embellishment stars. And we're going to just dot a few of these. I'm going to stay with red. I'm just going to dot them higgledy-piggledy like that. And we are finished. So there are the cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information, as I said, about the project, it's all on the website and everything is in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.